Wellness is about living a lifestyle, an intentional way of living so that you can maximize yourself. So that anytime you show up fully, knowing that you are thriving in your mind, body, spirit to deliver. Everybody's right. The customer is right because that's the client's perspective. Oh, me, you don't work. Your bank does not work. He's right. So why am I being upset? That's his view, his perspective. Because we are emotionally aware, we will then strive to empathize.